Sa ating usar kon lital no, membali titay, niya ba nga tayo tuna jila ni
So,
bola.
ladies and gentlemen, I remember, back in my secondary school time,
Yeah.
I was in Nakasi High School.
Right.
I got a friend from Kanawe and told me about the action he used to do the grandfather in the moon.
Right.
So one time, every night,
Yeah.
when they woke up in the night,
Yeah.
when they look in the side,
Yeah.
the grandpa gone.
Yeah.
Every night.
Yeah.
So one of the grandchildren said, hey,
Yeah.
we should take action.
Yeah.
We should walk about.
Yeah.
We should look for this grandpa.
Right.
What is approaching you?
Yeah.
So one night when grandpa just took off from the home when
During the full moon.
During the full moon,
Yeah.
all the grandchildren came out.
Right.
They were sneaking out.
Yeah.
They look left, right, and center like always a goose.
Yeah,
They
right.
goose like this, goose like this.
Right, yeah.
And they follow the footprint of grandpa. They're coming slowly.
Yeah.
They're coming slowly.
Hesitantly.
Slowly.
Yeah.
And when they pop up their eyes,
Yeah.
they could see.
And they what?
They could see.
Yeah. Pop up their what? Their eyes.
When their eyes pop out, like the body.
Right. Yeah.
They could see grandpa
Yeah.
waving in the air.
Waving.
When their eyes
Here.
came slowly down
Here.
to look for the t-shirt,
Here.
grandpa no t-shirt.
Why, boy?
So
Why,
the
grandpa?
eyes
Why?
want to wonder,
Yeah.
where is this eyes going?
Yeah.
When they go down again,
Yeah.
no trousers. So they knew something is happening to grandpa in the morning.
They were shocked.
So they plan tomorrow morning.
Right.
They land back.
Yeah.
They sleep in the bed.
Right.
They touch each other
Yeah.
and they talk to each other.
Right.
Tomorrow
Yeah.
we will do something about grandpa.
Yeah.
To never do this action again. We will shame of ourselves. What about if someone see him and see him, they will see us.
Good.
And all of them, they will see all the family.
Yeah.
And they will point.
Yeah.
These are the action song of the coming
The
up.
story in the Facebook.
Story in the Facebook.
Yeah, good.
So the next night,
Yeah, gory.
when grandpa took off, they took off again.
Go. Right.
Before grandpa reached the position,
Yeah.
they already came out from there.
Right.
You know what?
Yeah.
They look for this tree or this, what is this, the leaf?
Yeah.
The salato.
Right. Go.
60 to 70% of the salato.
Right.
They took it out.
Right.
Where the position grandpa stood,
Right here.
they spread the salato.
Here.
They spread it.
Oh boy.
No, they spread it.
And then.
This is the stepping
Yeah.
of how you can do this thing.
Yeah.
First, you have to sit down and look around and take it down slowly. This is the step. And then you come up, you look around, you take off the t-shirt slowly. So when they are looking from the side of the cassava patch, they saw the grandpa sitting down.
Right.
When he was sitting down,
Yo.
he sits
Yeah.
on the top of this group of salato. So when he stood up to approach the moon, when he lifted the hand up, they were looking the grandchildren.
Started shaking.
The hand was shaking at the top.
Right.
Shaking. After a few minutes, the hand came down halfway.
And shaking.
Shaking again.
Still shaking.
Still shaking.
Right.
And the last minute they could see
Yeah.
the hands is busy at the back. At the same time, they could clapping and running at the same time and shouting. This is the last time for me and the full direction.
Sa tangan-tangan Indonesia lah.